Hi, welcome to this video. Today I will be showing you step by step how to build a customer service chatbot, particularly the customer service page. Hope you will like it. Let's get right into it. So we have built 2 pages so far, or 2 functions so far. Today we're going to get on with the customer service page. So click on the plus button, then we're going to call this page Customer Service. Emoji. Right. So in this customer service page, we mainly have 3 functions. First is to give customer product recommendation, and the second one is just to answer all the questions, general questions. And also we adding rate your experience. This is from the Voiceflow template, so we know exactly how this chatbot doing in general, what are the areas that we can improve on, which is a very good feedback loop. So the first conversation we're going to build is, how can we help you today? Again, buttons. Get a recommendation. Ask us any question. Rate your experience. Right. With this product recommendation, what I did is I used this awesome product recommendation template built by Brendan. This is his YouTube channel. He had built a super excellent e-commerce product recommendation chatbot. He had also provided link to the template in Voiceflow, and you can sign up to his community. And if you do run into trouble with using this product recommendation chatbot, he also provide paid service to help you out with your problems. All I did is just integrate it with this customer service chatbot. So once you get the template of getting a recommendation from Brendan, you can turn into product recommendation component just to simplify the conversation flow. I just want to show you how the end result of it, but I'm not going to go into details to explain how everything is built, because Brendan does really excellent YouTube video on that. So let me just give you a quick demo, what it can do actually. I would like to buy a 5-seater lounge. Here we go. So the reason why I really like this product recommendation bot is when the user give you some kind of hint in terms of the kind of product they are looking for, and AI can really pick up the characteristics of the recommendation they should be making, then turning to this product carousel so you can look through them, give you very direct visual, provide direct link to the product that's being recommended. That's the reason why I think the bot he has built is done such a good job. Then the second step of asking us any questions is going to be, okay, what is your question? Then we're going to put listen and capture here. I can put it here anyways because it's kind of linked. So entire user reply, yes, we will be capturing the last utterance. This is going to be a knowledge base, AI response, AI. So we're going to use knowledge base, and under the question, we're going to type, you are a helpful shop assistant to HM Based on the curly bracket, last utterance, extract information from knowledge base to answer the question to your best ability. We're going to leave the instructions blank, and at this point we need to set up the knowledge base. Click on the content on the left hand side, then click on knowledge. So that's where you're going to add data source for your knowledge base. Click on data source. As you can see here, you can use plain text, upload file, URLs, sitemap, integration. In the perfect world, the URL and sitemap are the most convenient ones that you can use directly at the knowledge base. However, in this demo, due to the layer of the security on the website that I'm using, so the demo won't be able to pull any information or data from their website directly. So for the demonstration of this particular customer service chatbot, I'm going to their website and find the FAQs. So this is their help and support page, and this is where the majority of the information will come from. The easiest way of doing it is actually just copy Control-A and copy everything, Control-C, into a Word document. And you're going to save the document somewhere in your computer. Then we go back to Voiceflow and add data source, upload file, FAQs, and open. So in this step, you can add as many docs as you want. So you can extract all the necessary information, copy paste into Word documents or separate Word documents, and you're going to upload all of them here. If you left click on refresh, and it will show you how Voiceflow is breaking down the data source into different chunks. So they would use less tokens to trying to narrow down the correct answers for users' question. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add one more file. It's the payment and the financing options as well, in case that users asking relevant questions on that. And we're going back to where we were before. We're not going to override prompt settings because we're gonna leave as it is, as the way we set up in the knowledge base. And we're gonna do a preview. Do you have any financing options, ? And generate. So it says, yes, we offer financing options through Latitude Financial Services Limited and interest reduced flexi commercial for in-store shoppers. And that's actually a correct answer straight out of their FAQs. So that means this step is definitely working and giving out the 100% accurate information. Okay, now we have the knowledge base. We can go back, continue to build our bot. If the AI be able to respond, and we're going to say, any other questions? And we're gonna go listen, buttons, yes or no. If it's yes, we're going to link it back to what's your question again. If it's yes, let's just go here. If it's no, we're going to direct into a conversation loop. Component. Yeah. Right. And if we can't find any response, we're going to acknowledge that as well. We're going to say, sorry, I don't have the knowledge to your question. Would you like to talk to an agent? Right. Buttons will be yes. Oh no. So the yes will be just sent to help desk tickets. If it's no, we're going to link back to the very first main menu of the customer service bot, customer service page. Right. Cool. Then now we can give it a try. No, that's fine. Asking us any questions. Let's just try something else to ask. There's no order, no damaged goods. Oh, yeah. I have received damaged goods. What should I do? Okay, let's just go back and limit it into a local thing rather than a global thing, because customer service, blah 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 blah. Yeah, click on this little dial thing, instant scoping. Let's do local scoping so it doesn't jumping around in the whole chatbot. So ask us any questions. I'll be I have received a damaged item. What should I do? Yes, I have another question. Do you provide finance options for purchase? Oh yeah, Latitude Financial Services Limited, Flexi Commercial. Yep, that's the answer. Yep. Cool. That means it worked. Right. We're not gonna test the rest because we know it's working. So that's for ask us any questions. We're gonna go into the rate your experience now, because that's the other function of customer service page. So we're going to say, how do you rate your experience today on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best, right? So next to that, we're going to give buttons again. So the bottom one will be 1, and we also will be setting variables from here. it's going to apply, we're going to rating underscore number, add a new variable, F1, add set. Oh, this, nope, we don't need that. Let's delete that. Go back to button. So we're gonna repeat this process for the 1 to 5 ratings. Set variable. So now we have a rating number 2. Go back and set another one. This is actually this one is exactly the same as a Voiceflow template as well. So if I'm not explaining everything correctly or very vague, not doing a very good job, you can find original videos from the Voiceflow tutorial. So 4, so action, set variable, rating number, go to 4, then add a button. Oh, too much. Let's delete that button. So we only need 5. Number 5. Set variables, rating number 2, 5. Okay. So we got the rating number 1 to 5, and also we will have a no match as well, just in case that. We'll just add it for now, but I will link it to something else later. We'll provide this option just in case the users is not going to click neither of the buttons. So the next step is going to be AI response AI. Put in an AI model here. The prompt's gonna be, I'm just gonna copy paste from the original Voiceflow tutorial. The customer just rated their experience a rating number out of 5, with 1 being terrible, 5 being amazing. If the rating was low, apologize for their poor experience. If it was high, be excited, then ask them a question to explain why they choose the rating they did. Keep your response to 2 sentences maximum. Right, so this is from the Voiceflow template, and we also going to put a capture underneath it. What we're doing here is to capture, see this prompt here. So the AI will ask customer why they choose the rating they did. So this is the step to capture their response. And we need to link this as well. I'm also gonna name this block customer feedback. Okay, so next thing we're going to build is set AI. Determine sentiment. It's using AI model for data source. The prompt will be perform a sentiment analysis on last utterance that we gathered before. Why won't we have a last utterance? Here. If it's a negative response, like single quotation 1, if it's a positive response, like 5. If you are unsure, respond 0. Okay. Right. And we're going to apply to a variable called sentiment. This is going to be a new variable, sentiment. So essentially what it's doing here is trying to tell AI once it has the rating number from the users, and tell AI to convert the number into a negative or positive or unsure kind of response, and send that value into sentiment as a variable. And after that, we'll just add a condition to giving the user another response, depends on whether it's a positive, negative, neutral kind of feedback. So the condition will be, if we're going to call it positive, so if it's positive feedback, we're going to add a variable which is the sentiment that we have just set to is 5. But if the sentiment add condition variable, its sentiment is a 5. No, negative is a 1, obviously. So that would be a negative feedback. The third choice would be no match, and we're gonna set a path which is ambiguous, which means we're not sure, or neutral. Okay. And we're going to call that type of feedback. So essentially, we're just trying to get AI to convert numbers into a positive, negative, or neutral kind of feedback. If it's positive feedback, of course, we're going to say, glad we could help. Then you can add into a conversation loop just to make sure that all their concern is addressed. But if it's negative feedback, and we're gonna be obviously apologizing, sorry to hear that it wasn't helpful. And you're going to do the same to direct into a conversation loop again. If it's ambiguous, we also need to give a bit of a acknowledgement as well. And you're going to say, thank you for your feedback. And same thing, once again. Make sure that all their questions answered, so we link to the conversation loop again. And while we building this no match, we're going to link something here as well, just in case the users is not going to click on any of the numbers and want to bypass this customer feedback conversation. So we're going to link this directly to the type of feedback block. Customer service. So we have type of feedback. Yeah. This is just pretty much entire customer service page. Although we do want to obviously add intent for this as well, like previously. Create a new intent, so we're gonna call it customer service little emoji can night, please get a product recommendation. Okay, let's generate. Okay. How can I update my shipping address? Not that one, because that would be in the previous orders and purchases. And let's make a representative. Okay, that can you help me with the product exchange? That once again is not shouldn't be in here. Following a warranty claim, no. I can help order, no. That's not what you're here for, no. Check status, my delivery, that's not what you're here. Billing issue, no. What are your customer service hours? Yes, that might be. That's a general question about the customer service. Yep, that's the one. The second type of thing, what is your store policy on financing options? Something like that. I can generate another 5. So status, warranty claim. Yep. And assistance setting up my new device. Can you walk me through that? Maybe direct you to a help desk. So a human customer service person can walk you through the steps of setting up your device. I have a question about my account. Okay. I need to speak with a representative. Yep. And product recommendations. What's a financing option? I want to add something is, can I give some feedback about my shopping experience? Yep, something like that. Check my order, not checking on my order, log into my account. Can you help it? Can I speak to manager about it? Yep. Process return, not that one. Like inquire about status my recent service request. Okay. Can I give some feedback about shopping experience? I want to add actually just one. Can I provide some advice about your customer service or product? Or company in general. Okay. Right. And we're going to obviously go back home and also link this to an intent. Yep. And don't forget to do that one as well. Customer, go to intent. Think of customer service intent. Okay, so let's do a test from here. We're going to only test read your experience. Okay, click on share on the top right corner and open link in new tab. Start conversation. Boop. Customer service, radio experience, 1. My questions are not answered. Okay. Yes. Customer service, radio experience, 5. It's really helpful, better than a human. Yes, I'm gonna go back to customer service to radio service again. This time is a 3. I'm gonna say not that impressive. Okay. Nope. I'm just gonna end the conversation here. Okay, let's go back and see whether there's anything that's saved. So this is what's happening. So you have to run the web kind of a demo for it to actually have a proper transcript. So what's really helpful here is when user really interact with the chatbot, and you can see their conversation transcript here, especially with this feedback part. So you can go through them and you can review it, or you can save it for later, or even delete it or tag. So you kind of pick up a really important parts to fine tuning on your chatbot. 1 and 5, if it's 1, you will see, okay, it's because their question is not answered. So you can probably go back and see what kind of answer they were looking for and see how you can fine tuning on that. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and it provides some valuable information for you. Once again, thank you for Brandon making that product recommendation chatbot, which is really brilliant. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. And please like the video as well. Thank you for watching my video, and hopefully it provides some valuable information for you. Let me know in the comment section that you find a better way to build a customer service chatbot. I would love to hear about it. Next time, we will be building the last function of this customer chatbot, which is the returns and exchange. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.